I don't like people poking my ear. This is Chinese stir-fried cabbage. We have one more order, and this is that too spicy? Because I see a lot of chili out here.
It's not.
Hello.
Ear clean service.
No, my
1 minute.
I like my ear to be dirty.
1 minute check, no problem.
Okay, check. No,
No problem.
Okay.
1 minute check.
Okay.
Check करिए.
Okay.
1 minute.
Show me your finger first.
Cotton.
Okay.
America master.
It's a lot of,
Clean service.
very clean service, but I like it to be dirty.
1 minute.
I'm a dirty guy. No.
50 rupees. 50 rupees.
No.
गरम मसाला लगाया है देख. करो पूरा.
No. I don't like people poking my ear.
अब तेरी तो इंग्लिश से पढ़े नहीं. थोड़ा हिंदी बात.
नहीं.
पूरा गंदा है.
Ganda.
हाँ.
I like it ganda.
हाँ, इसे पूरा अच्छा से साफ कर देगा.
It's okay. It's okay, but I don't want things to be poked in my ear. So that's
नहीं नहीं, ये बर्स से ईयर बर्स से पूरा क्लीन कर देगा. अच्छा कर देगा. पूरा साफ कर देगा. पूरा गंदा निकाल के चेक कराएगा आपको.
It's okay. No, I don't want. I don't have any cash to give you. Like maybe later, another time. Okay. Show me what's inside.
Ear door clean service.
He's got a whole crate inside to clean the ear.
पूरा क्लीन कर, पूरा अच्छा करेगा.
My fingers are good enough.
फिंगर नहीं आ जाता अंदर. बटन से करेगा ना, पूरा बटन से पूरा साफ कर देगा. पूरा ऐसा कर देगा जैसा ये साफ है ना, ऐसा हो जाएगा अंदर पूरा.
But I don't want you to poke my ear. No, thank you. No, thank you. Maybe I'll just take a walk and come back. I'll see you later. Thank you. So there was this guy. He wanted to clean my ear. So he took a cotton, and I wanted to check his cotton if it's already dirty. It was clean, but somehow he just poked it inside, and then it was dirty. So anyway, by the way, my ears are really dirty, and I think I can hear okay with dirty ears maybe. And let's see what we can find. The same guy, he wanted to clean my ear. Okay. No, thank you, brother. Anyway, he really wanted to clean my ear, and I wouldn't deny it. My ears are probably really dirty with all the travel and riding bikes. He even showed me, and it was pretty yellow. But I think that's how ears are supposed to be, with wax. If I'm not wrong, you got wax in your, or wax, whatever you guys call it. That means that it will stop all the dirt from entering your ear. If you remove that, then then all the dirt gets inside your head, and then you start getting dirty anyway. So okay, we are back in the main road, and let's see what we can find this time. Except for people wanting to clean my ear. Yes? No auto?
Metro 100.
100?
100. No sharing, no waiting.
You're
Only
ripping us
personal
off.
view.
How far is the metro? How far is the metro?
No half hour.
How far is the metro? How far?
Maybe 2-3 kilometers.
It's far. Right.
So many traffic,
Give me a good price, and then I'll take your auto.
90 rupees.
That's too expensive, brother. You're ripping me off.
No sharing, no waiting, sir. Only personally you.
I'm a poor guy without much subscribers, so you have to be.
Yeah, I know, but
yeah.
So many traffic.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me your best price.
90 rupees. Metro.
Yeah, metro. How much?
80.
Is okay. 90, 80. One more. 90, 80,
100.
60. 60.
100.
Okay.
100.
Okay. He's saying 90. He's saying 80. 60. Okay. We'll get 60.
60.
Okay. 50. 50 or 60. 50. 60. Okay. 60. All right. Let's go. I got it cheaper. That's okay. That one. Okay, so I'll push it. Okay, let's push it. sorry. I thought you were a different girl.
तुम्हारी दे है तो तुम ही लगा लेना ना.
Okay, so we got a good deal. It's almost like
Option.
bye. Let's go.
Handle more थोड़ा.
Handle more. More handle. So that's the scene here. I mean, it's almost evening and it's a rush hour and there's a lot of traffic. So we just want to go to a different location. Before that, we're going to go to the metro. So this guy is going to drop us to the metro. I think 60 is okay. This camera doesn't really work right. Hello. Yeah, I'm so used to this sound and honking. Whenever I'm sleeping at night, when there are no honking and noise, it almost feels weird. Finally reached the destination. Yeah, okay, I'll show you. This one, the first one. This one. So, okay, bye-bye. So we are in Majnu Ka Tila, New Delhi, India right now. We'll see how what we can find here. Another dark alley. This reminds me of one of my previous videos. I think that place was called Munirka. But let's see. This one is a little different. Lady staring at me. That's okay. A little girl selling vegetables.
नहीं आपका साल कितना एज कितना
A little girl selling vegetables. She's starting business from now. Anyway, we'll just make our way up ahead and see what's going on. On the right side. Okay, let's see if I see there are few restaurants. Let's see if we can find something to eat and then we'll move on from here. Same scene. That's the thing about places like this. The buildings are almost kissing them, so almost kissing each other. But you know, let's see. I think that's a Korean restaurant. Let's see if we can find something here. So we are still trying to find a place. There's some sort of I'm not sure, Norwang. I don't even know what that means, but we'll find out. So apparently there's a cafe on top, the TM Kitchen MT. Okay. We're just gonna go upstairs and find this place. This is a place. Where do you want to sit? Okay. So this place has got one more floor on the terrace. So we're just gonna go upstairs to the terrace. The place, and it looks pretty packed. So I guess we have to go upstairs, and I see some sort of a like it's full of people here. I don't even no here.
Sorry?
There's no empty table here.
Yeah, right.
So maybe we can check out.
Within 5 minutes we're going to get ready to look for.
Okay, maybe we can check out the place. It's pretty hot right now, so people need the AC, so that's why it's really packed. But out here, it's pretty open, but there's no AC. I guess they're sprinkling waters, so we sort of have a view here. So let's check out this place. I don't mind sitting here without the AC though, and not very sure what river or lake is. This looks like a lake, but sort of have a view. I guess that's empty land. People are starting to farm. I know this has almost started to turn like a food vlog, which I don't really want, but you know, we always end up in places like this. Plus, most of the time we are so tired and hungry, we always end up in a restaurant or a roadside food stall. You can check out the lady working there. I'm not sure if you can see. He's just making, I think it's too early, he's just making things ready. So they were still setting up this place, so we decided to just go downstairs and just find a place there. But it's pretty packed up. I think we have to wait for a while. It's still crowded. And let's see if we can find a table out here. So it's pretty packed right now, so in the meantime I decided to have a beer and just wait for a table to get empty. Thank you. So we finally got our order, and this is Chinese stir-fried cabbage, and so we have one more order, and this is and this is pork and broccoli. It was supposed to be pork and cauliflower, and they said that they ran out of cauliflower, so they got pork broccoli instead. For her. So I'll just see how it tastes like. It's good enough to go. And let's see, is that too spicy? Because I see a lot of chili out here.
It's not.
It's not, okay. So we are done eating, and so I know it's a lot of chili, but it wasn't that spicy, and no wastage of food. So we are heading on to a different location. Taking the stairs, no lift. Maybe there's a lift. Oh, that's not a lift. We'll do some work. So we are outside. I think it just rained because it's pretty wet. I know this place seems really commercial, but it's also like all these restaurant owners, they live in the same place. A dog chilling out. I think that's a restaurant. Okay, that's a restaurant. I thought that looked like some sort of a hotel. This place has got more Tibetan people than the rest of the places I have been to. So let me just wait till they unblock the road, or maybe they're talking in the.
Auntie. Oh, you told not to go to your
Some dogs just playing around.
वो खेल रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
So I feel like this place is more about cafes and places to eat. Just gonna take a walk and just scan this place first, just check out what's there, and then from here we might move out somewhere. I'm not even sure what's the time right now. A lot of people. Yeah, that's the thing about this place, like people will just stand in the middle and wouldn't really give way to you, but that's okay. I mean, which way do you want to go? This side? Okay. One thing I have noticed about this place in Delhi, like it's almost impossible to find a place where with markets where you're not hassled by people like asking to buy their business. But out here it's pretty chilled out, and no one's bothering you. They won't ask you to buy or ask you questions. But there are shops, but no one will really bother you. So that's the thing about this place. They call it Majnu Ka Tila, but like I had a hard time finding this place because a lot of the new age people like to call it as MKT. So I was asking people, where is MKT? MKT. I was trying to find it on Google, but I had a hard time just for a shortcut. But I would like to call this as Majnu Ka Tila, however it's named, not like some shortcuts, but it's more like a Tibetan market really, because there are a lot of people from Tibet. That's what I see, and a lot of the shop owners are Tibetans.